May mga utang na dinadaanan lang. May mga utang na pangmatagalan para ngayon. 5 months, 4 days, 6 months, 3 days, 1 month kung may kontrata ka. Kaya kapag due date na, dapat singilin mo na. Dahil walang magbabayad kapag hindi ikaw ang maniningil. Utang is a word where no one stays still.
Uy, ako ba na ba? Ano pa lagi nakapadala sa kwarta? Ay, saan sa nakapangutangan?
Ana, apay kaila. May tangan na siya. Kana si Kuan, si Ana, gayang pangalan. Asa mo na mauna ba? Mauna ni siya. Balay, chata, lagi tayo. Sino na yung dalawa ka?
Ayo.
Ana?
Gretchen. Uy, Ana, mayong hapon kay Stephany. Pwede mo karoon na na. Uy, nagkakinang-kinang naman.
Ay, kamusta naman ka? Long time no see.
Okay na Japon kayo. Ano na, paano ba kayo ni mo? Madam, nabito may tuyo sa imo, madam.
Sa may tuyo?
Kan, madam, saan niya mo mga banaw, mga diling, mga sweldo? Ito ba? Mangula mo sa imo, kwarta ba?
Mangulam. Kamong tulo? Bayad
Yes, madam.
Ilan mo sa inyong ulamon?
30,000 ita, madam.
30,000 yan. Kano sa mo sa mong bayad?
Next month, ma'am.
Next month?
Kasuldo ang mong bana, ma'am. Didiling, manjud kailang sweldo.
Ugoy, sige. Dayan mo sa kumbalay. Sige, dayan mo sa Dili lang ta dito sa akong house kay renovate pa man good. Dayon mo, dayon. Dayon.
Adobo, oy. Adobo. Ano ba din si Amana, eh?
Dito din na ta magpuan, mag-signing. Dito sa mo likod lang. Salamat. Oo, saan ako ang kuan ha? 4. So, mo yung promissory note, no? So, yun yung bayaran, inig ka June 1. So, due date, June 1. So, 1 month lang, no? 1 month. So, permahin ang dahil ninyong tolodere. Kanide, isa-isa dahil yung permahan. Ini yung dibasa ang paan?
Mana, madam.
Ay, oo din, nakalimot ko. Kinangan sa din yung co-maker, bitaw. Kinangan sa mong sign digniin yung co-maker. Ayan naman makuha ang kuhan. Oo, ayan yung makuha ang kwarta. Sige. Nana may co-maker?
Kita kami, madam.
Mangita pa mo. So, ginalan yung papirmahan dere ha.
madam.
Kamusta yung pangitaon?
Masinin niya tayo or makabalik kami.
Sige, magulat to dere ha. Para mapirmahan yung dayon. Para makuha niyo yung gikuhan. Bye.
Sige, madam.
Sige. Ito man yung tag-commaker dani. Bas na kayo si Mario. Bas Mario. Ay, sige sa na. Uy Mario, kadit lang din na may permahan lang ni mo gamay lang gid kayo.
Galera pa ko.
Gamay ra man sige. Gamay ra man ikaw ra ka mo perma. Ikaw lang ang mong
Sige,
commaker.
galera man ka.
Dalira. Ana? Ayun, madam, nana among co-maker, madam. Dayon. Sige.
Selamat, madam.
Lingkod.
Sige na, salamat.
Co-maker, no?
Yes,
Kailangan mag-sign diri. I-read sa ang agreement.
Hindi na ma'am, dali na ako ma'am.
Nagdali ka?
Labo
Sir,
kayo.
dili pa kayo meet.
Labo kayo meeting ma'am.
Sige, sige. Iperma lang dahil diri.
Okay ma'am. Han, maglag sa tarikot sa bingit han, kay guwapo kaya ang view dito.
Hindi ka pwede akong binatas-baktas, igutom pagit ko.
Gutong na pud ka? Nga bago pamanta na mahugay na han.
Uwan, awan ako din, init ka ayo, plus uhaw pag-cute. Mangita tag gabihan dito na pagkaon.
Sige, pamili lang dito kaya ron panday.
O sige, bato ka sa pita sa atin. Oy, Mario! Mario, di ba?
Oh yes ma'am. Kasi toyo ma'am.
Kanang mag-pass due date na magod sa inyong utang, maningin na unta ako. Di ba last month nag-utang mo, kauban silang Aida, si Lord of Sipe?
Kasi utang ma'am, wala akong kautang ni mo ma'am.
Oh, nakautang day ka, wala ka nang
Wala ko nakautangan. Wala ko nakautang sa iya.
Kasi may gano'n yung bayhana nga nasa utang, ikaw pa ka-committer. Na nasa akong form last month, natin ako. Dalang form na yung permahan last month.
Oh ma'am, nakapirma ko dari ma'am, pero wala ko nakautang sa imo ah.
Nakautang day ka? No, wala ka sa ako. Na yung pangalan, na pa imong firma.
Oh, ikaw ako nagpirma anihan, pero wala ko nagutang ani.
Past due date lang. Ang inyong utang bitaw, past due date na kinangan na ninyo bayaran.
Oh ma'am, tinod lagi nga nagpirma ko ani ma'am, pero wala ko nakadawat sa imo bisag piso ma'am.
Ano, saan man ka na? Nga naman imong firma o pangalan. Ikaw na tumigil.
Dili lagi ha, di ko magpasibot ani. Ma'am, di ko magpasibot ani ma'am, kaya nagpirma ray ko sa imo ma'am.
Kinanglan gini nimo bayaran kay wala na nako na-locate silang idol si Lord of Super. As a co-maker, kinanglan gini nimo bayaran. Kay kung dili ka mo bayad, I'll file a case against you.
O sige, pagkita ta sa korte ma'am.
O sige, sige, court. Oh.
Please rise. The Court of the Second Judicial Circuit, Civil Division is now in session. The Honorable Judge Emeritus presiding.
Everyone but the jury may be seated. Members of the jury, your duty today will be determine whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty based only on facts and evidence provided in this case. The prosecution must prove that the crime was committed and that the defendant is the person who committed the crime. However, if you are not satisfied of the defendant's guilt to that extent, then reasonable doubt exists and the defendant must be found not guilty. Ms. Verula, what is today's case?
Your Honor, today's case is the complainant Anna versus Mario, civil case number 1122 for the violations of the articles 1207 to 1211.
Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Sandy Joy and I am representing the complainant Miss Anna in this case. Thank you.
Your Honor, members of the jury, my name is Jamaica and I am representing the defendant Mario in this case. Thank you.
Your Honor, my client is the creditor in this case. She provided a loan to Aida, Lorna, and Fe on the understanding that Mario would be their co-signer. However, the loan was not paid on the agreed upon date of June 1, 2023. This is a clear breach of contract and my client had no choice but to file a case against Mario.
Your Honor, my client is not disputing that he agreed to be a co-signer for the loan. However, he did not receive any money from the loan and he did not benefit from it in any way. So my client should not be held responsible for the late payment of the loan.
Objection, Your Honor. My client has a legal right to collect the full amount of the loan plus interest and other fees. Mario assumed the same obligation as the debtors, and he should be held responsible for the share of debt.
Your Honor, my client is willing to pay his share of debt, but he should not be held responsible for the entire amount. He did not receive any money from the loan, and he did not benefit from it in any way.
After reviewing the evidence presented by both parties and considering the relevant provisions of the Civil Code, I have come to a decision. We hold that defendant Mario is solidarily liable on each of the promissory notes bearing his signature for the following reasons. The promissory notes are negotiable instruments and must be governed by the negotiable instruments law. Under the negotiable instruments law, persons who write their names on the face of promissory notes are makers and are liable as such. By signing the notes, the maker promises to pay to the order of the payee or any holder according to the tenor thereof. Based on the above provisions of law, there is no denying that defendant Mario is one of the co-makers of the promissory notes. As such, he cannot escape liability arising therefrom. In this case, the solidary liability of defendant Mario is made clear and certain, without reason for ambiguity, by the presence of the phrase joint and several, as describing the unconditional promise to pay to the order of the complainant Anna. A joint and several note is one in which the makers bind themselves both jointly and individually to the payee, so that all may be issued together for its enforcement, or the creditor may select one or more as the object of the suit. With respect to the attorney's fees and penalty and service charges, the defendant Mario is hereby held jointly and solidarity liable with complainant for the amounts found by the court accused, with cost against the defendant. So ordered.